What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Bad Habits by SadBoyProlific. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll just straight up suplex that ass. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning, and you will need to capo up to the first fret. It's only using 4 different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song, and as always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Your first chord is going to be a C major 7, your ring finger is going to be on the 3rd fret of the A, and your middle finger is going to be on the 2nd fret of the D. Then you need a D7, put your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G, index finger 1st fret B, ring finger 2nd fret of the high E. Then you need E minor. It's going to be 2nd fret A with your middle finger, 2nd fret D with your ring finger. And then finally G major, ring finger, low E on the 3rd fret, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A, and your pinky on the 3rd fret of the high E. So your chord progression for the song is going to be C major 7, D7, E minor, G, D7, E minor. And now I'm going to show you how to strum through them because I think that's probably the easiest way to play this song. You can just kind of lightly pick through it if you want. I'm going to show you a strumming pattern to use. It's going to be down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up. Again, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up. So you're switching from D7 to E minor on an up strum. Down, 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 up, down, down, up. Then you do the same thing. After that, you just start with G instead of C major 7. Down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up. Down, 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 up, down, down, up, 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 down, 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 up, down, down, up. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.